This is an unboxing of the Lenovo P14s. It's just the power adapter. This one's got a little bit of a different one. It's much smaller than the usual power adapter, still 65 watt USB-C. Yeah, just a little smaller. So, do a quick look at it here. Alright, we'll just go over the ports that are on this thing. So, it's the first USB-C. It's another USB-C, and this is the kind of full dock port with the dedicated Ethernet pass-through thing. One USB 3, a full-size HDMI, combo audio, mini SD card slot or micro. That's a little privacy switch for the webcam. The other side, this is where you'd have smart card reader option, and then another USB 3, full-size Ethernet, and a Kensington lock slot. There's nothing on the back. This would be if you had SIM card option, WAN card in the laptop, it would go there. On the bottom, there's just a reset holes there, and so there's the dual mics and webcam, fingerprint reader, same touchpad and keyboard as always. Very, very similar to the T490 and the T14. I don't see any difference at all. I think it's the exact same chassis, maybe the exact same motherboard too. Anyway, yeah, same size and everything too, even though this is the P14s. Pretty sure I can still upgrade the RAM in it. Unlike like the T14s, you can't upgrade the RAM, but you can in this one because it's the exact same form factor as the T14. Just the estimate, and that's it.